If you roll out a pie crust and it's stuck to the counter, that's not fun. So a way to have insurance is to roll it out on either parchment paper or wax paper. So let's do, I've got 2 sheets of baking parchment, and get that out of the way. And same thing, up and back. And see how easy it is to turn with this? Actually, I don't even need that. Yeah, this will be fine. I'm going to just give a little bit of flour. But this way, I know I'm going to be able to get it up off the counter. So all the 4 directions. The most important thing is rolling from the middle, pressing from the middle. So pressing from the middle up, pressing from the middle back. Quarter turns, getting bigger and bigger. And I'm going to stop and kind of keep it round. And what I like to do, if I roll it out and I want to keep it, so one way to keep it is in a pie pan. But it's also nice to have a sheet that you could use. Let's say I want to freeze that as it is, and I want to have a top crust for it. Whoop. Don't want to send those flying. So suppose I want to have that top crust. I think we are almost there. Start from the middle, getting a little bit thin. Now, is that big enough? Yes, that's just about. Say it's still a little bit thin. I'm going to give it one more round. Press those together. Perfect. And I'm going to keep rolling this out until it fits the pie pan just the same way the other one did. Okay, good enough. Now from this point, I could fold it up into quarters as I did, or suppose you want to freeze it, but you don't want to freeze it in the pan. I'm just going to cover this with wax paper or parchment paper, and then I'm going to gently roll it up. And now I've got a roll of pastry, which I could use either fitting it into a pan or use it as the top crust. And I could, of course, if I were going to put this in the fridge, I'd want to wrap it so that it's not exposed. If we're going to put it in the freezer, I'd want to wrap it, you know, double wrapped and with like a freezer safe bag or aluminum foil, something so that it'll keep. But this way you've got it, and if you were to freeze this, it would be hard as a rock. You'd want to set it out in the fridge until it's soft to the touch, and then you can just pull it out and you've got a sheet of pie crust ready to go.